to my piano classroom. I am going to be your piano teacher for the next many lessons. This class is for complete beginners. You don't have to know a note to learn the fundamentals of piano. I am going to try very hard to stay close to my private one-on-one piano lesson curriculum. You should learn pretty fast because this is an accelerated course, but it doesn't require a lot of practice, and you should be able to keep up because you're adult students. The required time for practicing in the beginning should be just about 3 to 6 minutes of your time. You should do that. Try to do that every day. You will learn how to read music, a little bit about music theory, and the proper hand position, body posture. I do my classes in these videos a little bit differently than other YouTube videos. I think other YouTube videos, they tend to teach you based on a topic. But then once you step outside of that video lesson, most students will find that what they learn isn't applicable in their real life. So the way I'm going to teach you is I want to give you some raw material, some fundamental tools, and then you can take these skills and knowledge and apply it to the songs that you want to learn, that you can teach yourself with. So in the first lesson today, you should be able to know how to read the music, how to name all the keys on the pianos, and even to play a song like this if you choose to do it today. Lesson, in your second lesson, you should be able to learn something like this. And that is not bad because you are complete beginners and you haven't learned how to read a note, and you could play in your first lesson and your second lesson those two songs. So it's actually not bad. I hope my instruction will be extremely clear. If you think I can be better, I would definitely love to hear from you. Let me know how I can be better and which parts that are good I should keep. If I should go a little bit slower, let me know. If my video equipment, I'm just using my iPhone right now because I'm not very high tech. If I should get and learn how to use fancier technology to do these video lessons, also let me know. I will look into it. But for the next 2-3 lessons, I will only have my iPhone. So let me know what your experience is, and I will try to make it better for the next generation of beginning piano students. And I think that's it. I'll see you in a minute.